cozy little town of Sunnybrook lived a fluffy cat family. Papa Leo, Mama Lily, and their three curious kittens, Pip, Squeak, and Mittens. One sunny afternoon, while they were napping in a sunbeam, a tiny tweet of distress floated through the window. It was a little bluebird who had fallen from its nest. Without a second thought, Papa Leo sprang into action. "Family, to the rescue," he announced. Pip scrambled up the tree. Squeak found a soft pile of leaves, and Mittens helped Mama Lily guide the worried mother bird. Working together, they gently nudged the baby bird back into its cozy nest. The mama bird sang a happy thank you song, and the cat family felt a warm glow in their hearts. Remember, even the smallest act of kindness can make a big difference. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing adventures.